Hey LOC family, this is how I use Clear Essence products to care for my locks on wash day. After shampooing my hair, I use a Drench Me Co-Wash. It's a superfood wash that is so soft and clean. Quick disclaimer, this product is moisturizing, so it would work better on mature locks. Then I use the Mist Me Please Moisture Spritz. It's a 3-in-1 co-reviver, heat protectant, and braid and scalp spray treatment. For my locks, I like it. It gives me extra hydration, makes sure everything is soft and smooth, and it smells so good. Lastly, I use 100% pure Haitian black castor oil, rosemary mint. This product leaves my hair feeling so fresh. I make sure I dab it across my locks. Then I also add to my scalp to make sure I get that freshness really sealed in. I finish it off with a massage. Just get it in, get that blood flow, that freshness in. And I love Clear Essence products. They are clean, it's ethical hair care, it's vegan, it smells so good, it brightens my day, and it makes me feel so fresh. I love them.